Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 12C, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this XIAOMI. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access additional settings. Now click on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Revert. Finally, click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. If you want to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!